Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with SMG, the podcast where English feels easy, natural, and real. I'm Sam.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa.
We're really happy to have you listening today. Whether you're relaxing at home, working, commuting, or just taking a short break, thank you for choosing to learn English with us. Today's episode is about two very small words that create very big confusion for English learners. Those words are while and during.
Both words are connected to time, but they are not used in the same way. Many learners think they're interchangeable, but that's not true. Using the wrong one can make your sentence sound strange, unnatural, or even confusing.
But don't worry. In this episode, we're going to explain everything clearly, slowly, and simply. If you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, this lesson is perfect for you.
We'll talk about what while means, what during means, how to use each one correctly, the key differences between them, common mistakes, and lots of real-life examples.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident using while and during, and you won't mix them up again. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English in a simple and natural way, please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English with SMG. We post new lessons regularly to help you improve step by step. All right, let's begin.
Part 1. Understanding while. Let's start with while. While is a conjunction. That means it connects two clauses. A clause has a subject and a verb.
While is used to show that two actions happen at the same time. The basic structure is while plus subject plus verb. Here's a simple example. I listen to music while I cook. We have subject plus verb, I listen, subject plus verb, I cook. Two actions, same time.
Another example. She reads while she eats breakfast. Again, she reads, she eats. Two actions, same time.
That's very important to remember. While always needs a complete clause after it.
Let's practice more examples. While I was sleeping, someone called me. He listens to podcasts while he drives to work. While we were talking, the time flew by. She writes notes while the teacher explains. In every sentence, while is followed by a subject and a verb.
Part 2. Understanding during. Now let's talk about during. During is a preposition, not a conjunction. A preposition is followed by a noun, not a clause. During means throughout the time of, or at some point in the time of. The structure is very simple. During plus noun. For example, I fell asleep during the movie.
Notice, the movie is a noun. There's no subject, no verb. Another example, she coughed during the presentation. Again, the presentation is just a noun phrase. During is always followed by a noun or noun phrase, never a clause.
Let's see more examples. During the meeting, several people asked questions. He fell asleep during class. During winter, the days are shorter. She met her best friend during college.
Key differences between while and during. This is the most important part. Difference 1, grammar function. While is a conjunction, meaning it connects two clauses. During is a preposition, meaning it introduces a noun.
Structure reminder. While plus subject plus verb. During plus noun.
Difference 2, what comes next. After while, you must have a full clause. While I was studying, my phone rang. After during, you only need a noun. During my study session, my phone rang.
Same idea, different structure. Difference 3. Flexibility.
While can be used with many tenses. While I study, while I'm studying, while I was studying, during doesn't change tense. It just uses a noun. During the study, during my studies.
Side-by-side comparisons. Example 1. While I was watching TV, she called. During the TV show, she called.
Example 2. While we were eating dinner, the power went out. During dinner, the power went out.
Example 3. While he was giving the speech, everyone was quiet. During the speech, everyone was quiet.
Do you see the pattern? While explains the action. During names the event.
Sometimes you can change while to during by changing the structure, but sometimes you cannot. Example, while I love chocolate, I don't eat it often. Here, while means although, not time. You cannot use during here. Another example, she likes summer while I prefer winter. This shows contrast, not time. During is only about time, never contrast.
Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Using during with a clause. X. During I was sleeping, someone called. Correct. While I was sleeping, someone called. Or, correct, during my sleep, someone called.
Mistake 2. Using while with only a noun. X. While the movie, I fell asleep. Correct. During the movie, I fell asleep. Or, while I was watching the movie, I fell asleep. Mistake 3. Confusing time versus contrast. Time. While I cook, I listen to music. Contrast. While I like tea, she prefers coffee. Context tells you the meaning.
Real conversation practice. Hey Lisa, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking on Saturday. During the hike, I saw some beautiful birds.
That sounds nice. Did you take photos while you were hiking?
Yes, while I was taking pictures, I almost fell over a rock.
Oh no, were you okay?
I was fine. During the whole trip, I was more careful.
Practice sentences. Repeat after us. I study while I listen to music.
I studied during the evening.
While I was cooking, she called.
During dinner, she called.
Simple learning plan. Week 1. Practice while with clauses.
Week 2, practice during with nouns.
Week 3. Compare both.
Week 4, use them naturally in speaking and writing.
Final review. While equals conjunction plus clause.
During equals preposition plus noun.
While can show time or contrast.
During shows only time.
Golden rule. While needs verbs, during needs nouns.
Thank you so much for listening to English with SMG. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your own sentences using while and during.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.